In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your chats on WhatsApp so you don't ever lose your chat history or your media whenever you change to a new phone. So what you have to do is go over to WhatsApp first. I use WhatsApp Business, and then you click on the three dots up there, then click on Settings, then come down to where you can see Chats. Once you're here, look for Chat Backup down there, click on Chat Backup, and then you can see Backup Settings. So my last backup date was on December 22nd at 7 o'clock, and my backup size was 1.6 gig. I can click on this backup button to go on and back up my chat history and my media and everything, or I can leave it like that. Then you can also go on to select the Google account you want to back up this your WhatsApp messages and everything. So click on that. You can choose any of your Google accounts. These are my available Google accounts that I use. So you can also choose the frequency. Do you want it to be daily? Do you want it to be weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup? Personally, I love to back up my WhatsApp every single day because you can never tell what happens. Your phone can get lost in the next day, so you have to just be safe. Okay. Now you can also choose to include videos, but this is actually going to be very large, so most times I just leave it off. What I need more are the messages, so that's why I leave only messages on, but I don't want to include videos. Now you can choose to back up using cellular or use Wi-Fi. So basically you can turn this on or off any time you want, but I have enough internet so I can choose to use my cellular data, and let me include video. I think that's fine. Now you can also go on to add end-to-end encryption. So this means that you're going to be protecting your backup with end-to-end encryption. So your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone, and you secure your backup with a password or an encryption key, and no one else will be able to have access to your backup, not even WhatsApp or Google. So it's a very good thing to do. You can click on turn on, and it's going to turn on. It's going to ask you to use a password or something, and you go on to do that. So there you have it, guys. This is exactly how you can back up your chat history on WhatsApp. Never lose your chats again. If you found this video informative and helpful, remember to like and subscribe, and also share it to your friends.